What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on that video. It's a beautiful evening out tonight. Had no clients. No better way to spend it than out fishing on the kayak. So we're in Long Sault Parkway. The water's like glass right now. It's about 6:45. Hopefully I'll be able to catch some bass. Hear that? Peace and quiet. My plan tonight is I launched my kayak in one of the docks in the parkway, and I'm going to go across straight ahead to Hoople's Bridge. There's a little section in there that goes in, and I was told by another YouTuber that there's bass in there. So we're going to go find out. I'm sure there is. We're going to find out if I can catch them. Because they always catch them. Right ahead is Whales Island. It's not a designated camping spot, but people do camp on it. I was on it a few weeks ago just to check it out because I want to do a kayak camping trip. And a lot of garbage left on there, so I might take my boat one day. Not my kayak, but my fish just jumped right there. I'm going to take my boat one day to the island and try to pick up all the garbage. I'm not sure what type of fish are close to the surface, but they keep going under. It must be carp. They look pretty big. There's a lot of spots in this parkway that get really shallow. In the 50s, they flooded all this area, which made up all these islands. So there's one spot around Whales Island where there's a foundation. I'm going to try fishing around there too. See if there's any smallmouth bass hiding in and around the foundation. Surprised there's nobody out in the water right now. It's a perfect night. Definitely not going to rain. The water's like glass. There's no wind. Not too deep right here. I can see the bottom. The boat must have went by. There's some waves coming in. Well, there might be a few people on the island ahead. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see. There's a boat coming up on the left. This is the only way to get through because on the opposite side of the island it's too shallow. So I'm just going to hang out for a bit, let them pass. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'll turn a bit. The sun's setting over there to the left as well, so it's bright out right now. Nice boat. Come to the waves. think he was the first one to put a wake through here. Now, here comes another little one. It's not too deep here, about only 5 feet. On the opposite side of Wales, I mean, you guys won't be able to see it, but the road actually goes through this island down to the other side. You can see it when you look into the water. What's left of what's been flooded, and all this section was livable back then. People were living here. So a lot of time you got to be careful with a boat because, you know, from a distance it looks like you can go through here with a boat, but you can't. You'll end up hitting rocks. So these two islands, this is where the road goes through. So the road comes right through here. You can sort of see like a, I'm not sure what you call it, but a culvert straight ahead and sticking out of the water. It's one of those big round cement things that they use. I think it's called a culvert. So that road runs straight across, right down to that other side, straight ahead. And that's not where I'm going. So I'm in this inlet. There's some carp in here because they stay close to the surface, and I spooked some on the way in, but it fucking stinks in here. I don't even know if I catch something if I want to stick my hand in the water. I think there would be some largemouth bass here. Try it out, cast a few. I'm no expert. I'm using a topwater lure. Only because there's lots of weeds here, so. Nice and peaceful though. Sun's out. Birds are chirping. I think there's a chipmunk screwing a squirrel over there. It's a good day. Took a bit to paddle in here. I paddled from, well, directly across. I have the Pelican Vanquish 120X, which is the same as the Maverick. It's 12 feet. I like it so far. It's nice and roomy, really stable. By no means is it a touring kayak. You wouldn't be able to keep up with one. I'm not sure how deep it is. I can see the weeds, but I don't know if it's like a sandy mud bottom. If it is, I don't think there'd be bass in here. I hear a helicopter coming from behind me. It smells like a sewage dump in here. Oh, there's some Bubbles beside the boat. I don't know if you guys can hear that blue jay. There is some lily pads. Usually where there's lily pads is largemouth bass, I think. But these lily pads look like they're dead. Probably from the sewage. Yeah, it's not too deep here. There's only a couple feet. You can faintly see the bottom. Or we'll try the other side. It's funny, whenever you're fishing from the shore, you wish you had a boat, but then when you're in a boat or a kayak, you fish near the shore. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, my bird just dove in the water. Might switch my lens and try to get this bird. It'd be nice to get a nice shot of him going in the water. Hope he doesn't go after my lure. Oh, it had a bite. There is fish in here. I don't know how big he was. He just hit the surface because I'm using top water. I love these rod holders I installed. Just clears up everything here. Usually you have to stick your rod in here, and now I just reach back, throw it in the rod holder. A little bit more weeds on this side. I'm using a weedless top water, or somewhat weedless. So, oh, it really stinks here. That bird is just going to town. Yeah, it seems to be a little bit deeper on over here. A couple casts. If that bird's going to hang out here, I'm going to try to get some nice shots of it. The bird in the tree making a screech. I don't know what kind of bird it is. I think it's mating season. The sun's going to be going down soon. There's a tree in the water over there. I'm going to try my luck over there, and then that's it. Call it a night. That sun is nice and bright and strong. Nah, guys. Beautiful. Start heading back. I don't have a light on me, so I just gotta go directly across.